photo of that first.
Okay, this is pretty cool. An hour and 30 minutes. That's what they say.
Alright guys, so today we're going to, as you can tell, the falls. It's right there, the falls right there, not me.
You're funny.
We're going to all these falls here, so we can't move at the start.
Yeah.
So this place called South Lawson Circle walking track. Basically, go on the other way, come up that way and come up the other way. There'll be a few waterfalls along the area that we're gonna go to. So hopefully we're able to go to everything. And yes, I was just hoping this will be fine, but we've got a few stairs along the way.
Yep. And to come back up
and
as
that,
well.
And that. Okay, my face gonna be full in there, so I'm too close.
Funny.
Let's go.
Okay. This is cool.
So the entrance, it's at the Livingstone
Sign.
sign.
Livingston Street sign.
Up there,
But you
if
can't
you guys
really
can see it. Move back a little bit.
Move over here, so it's
On the
right at
top
that
right.
sign. So yeah, it's just here.
Let's go in.
Not too far.
You cross up a bit.
Hey, look where we are. This is fun.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's very green. Well, it's a bit dry at the moment.
The track is very natural looking.
Yeah. You need some decent shoes.
And we got
Something
here.
like Converse type. Something more than this kind of Converse.
Hello. Hey.
Oh, look at it! Have a cross. Look at all these rocks. So, be sure to find a proper shoes.
There's no rails, so you got to be quite confident in where you're stepping.
Yeah. The kind of shoe that you can grip your feet on. Oh,
Yeah,
look,
your feet can grip.
Hello, how are you doing? I might get them.
Oh, so I'm just gonna be coming up.
Oh no, it's alright. Oh, we're just gonna take some photos.
Oh, no worries.
Yeah.
Hello.
It's getting a bit wet.
Good boys. Or girls.
Girls.
Good
Girls.
girls. I think
Anyway,
she's
guys.
staying.
Oh, come on, Willoughby.
Aww.
You actually better. Come on, Willoughby. Let's go.
Aww.
Yeah.
See ya. Have a good
See
day.
ya. Have a good one.
Will do. That's funny.
This is actually pretty decent. I like this. I like this trail so far. I can hear. I think I can hear the waterfall. The waterfall.
If you're a short person like me,
It's a bit hard.
yeah, really get a good shoes because the stairs are a little tall at some point.
I'm just using old steel cap boots. Got a little bit of tread on them. Probably should wear newer ones for this.
And at the moment I'm wearing a proper walking shoe, so I'm actually quite safe.
There's a fall hazard down that way.
Oh, that's where we should go.
Is that the way?
I'm not,
I don't
have
think.
a little walk.
I don't think that's it. I'm pretty sure it's down.
Down?
Yeah, down that other path.
Okay.
Because you can hear the waterfall. It's down that way.
Oh, look at that! Look at that sign there, and see what's in there. What does
Yeah,
it
it's
say?
down here.
Waterfall loop walk. Okay.
Yep. This is the start of the loop walk. That's the other part that takes you
That's to come
to the
back
other
after the
cataract. That one's to go to cataract directly.
loop. Yeah.
So, on Avenue, Northern Car Park, and the waterfall loop walk. This is fun.
So this is about what, 150, like about 2 minutes walking. So it's not that far.
So far, yeah.
So far.
About No, it's about 6 minutes,
6 minutes? Oh,
almost.
yeah, because we stopped earlier, so.
Yeah.
You can start to hear the water already.
You can hear it at about 3 minutes walking in, so. Ooh, this is a bit.
Or
You can have a look. Some really
it's a really,
rocky stairs.
yeah,
Oh, they've actually got a fence up.
a bit of a fence, so that's good.
And a bit of a wooden bridge. Gets a little dark in this spot.
I love going down the stairs, but going up the stairs is a little tricky later on.
Yeah. Huh.
I love
Yeah. There's a little lookout here.
a bit too fast. It was when you were there.
Bit of a lookout. A lot of people. This would have been good without the trees here,
Oh yeah.
right in this line of sight.
But there's a lot of people down there that you can see.
Quite a few.
That's the first waterfall.
Yeah. Nice rainforest.
Lobby?
Like, hello.
I don't know if you caught that.
I did.
I'm usually the cameraman
So
on the walks.
there's a bit of a fall, so you want to be a bit careful.
Can we go a bit slower because the stairs are a little
Yeah, they're very wet now, so
tall.
tall and wet. As you can tell, it's a rainforest, so
And we're bringing the kids with us. We'll show you
this is
later.
very
Yeah.
steep. Wooden stairs. Very. Yeah. It's a bit of a workout. There's plenty of signage, you just got to make sure you get the right sign. So yeah, keep following the path. This is a lot of fun. Very serene. If there weren't people here, it'd be pretty good.
There's a lot of kids too, so that's a great thing.
Yeah.
To keep the kids
Healthy.
healthy and active since young age, because it's quite safe in here.
So yeah, another sign taking you
That's
back.
to go back home.
Here's an
That's
older
into the
sign.
parking lot.
So this is the start of it. To Adelina Falls, Junction Falls and Cataract Falls. So to the right you've got Adelina, to the left you've got Junction Falls and Cataract. Nice rainforest.
Nice old sign, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I like it when they keep the old sign, but just repainted them. It's really good.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go down to the waterfall.
Yep.
So this is gonna be our first waterfall. What does it call again?
Adelina.
Adelina Waterfall. It's a nice stairs going down. Very green.
Very wet, very tight.
Yeah. You can hear a lot of noises around here. There
It's
is
just a lot of people.
a lot of people in there. And sorry if we stop you in the middle. I'm actually taking some photos. So I'll let you go first.
That's the creek
It's nice,
that
beautiful
the falls
creek.
lead into. It's actually a nice little spot. Hello.
Afternoon, I should say. Yeah, it's pretty light. Hello. How are you
Hello.
doing?
Hello. Thank you. Oh wow,
It's a rock place.
nice little cove. Hello. Wow.
Wow. Look at this. I
Big
said
root.
Little,
You're funny.
little roots.
You're funny.
It's massive.
There's another little. Oh wow. There's water actually coming off from up there too. That's... wow.
We're going closer to the waterfall now.
Yep.
It's a waterfall,
Sounds like...
Adelaide Waterfall.
Adelaide. Okay. It's actually a really interesting
It
waterfall.
will be a little tiny at the moment because it hasn't been raining for the last week, I should say.
Yeah. It hasn't rained for a week. But it's still really wet. And there's still quite a decent waterfall.
Yeah, you can still take a shower in there if you want to.
Small but really nice. Really elegant.
Like I said, you need a decent shoe. Because if you look at down here, they're
Sandy.
wet sand.
Very sandy.
Yeah, it's very sandy. And if you want to have a little cooler time, you can take off your shoes, get in there.
Yeah, you can have a little bit of a dip. It's a very beautiful waterfall. Very small at the moment, but that's probably the best way to see it.
Yeah. The good thing of this is quite an easy walk to get here. It only took us about 10 minutes. Let's go to the second one. So guys, we are back on the top of the level ground again. And now we're going to the Junction Falls and the Cataract Falls next. Let's go.
There's also something federal, I think it is, or Federation Falls.
Yeah, there's another one.
One of
right
those,
here.
something like that, and we'll let you know.
Look at this beautiful water brush.
Wow, it's pretty nice.
And if you go to a lot of different bushwalk in Australia, you can kind of smell a eucalyptus smell because they always have this eucalyptus tree like the one just past earlier.
A known fact for most people is that the reason why Blue Mountains are called the Blue Mountains is because of the blue haze, because of the fumes that the eucalypt leaves give off.
Well,
But
we'll be putting up all these photos that we take as well, and be sure to check out our Instagrams. It's at the Step We Take 2018
we'll put a link in the description.
below, and we'll put this up again at the end of the video.
There's a little, oh,
The streams are quite...
water running over rocks at a pretty strong rate, as you can see.
There's a little tree blocking it. Let's go into the right side a little bit and see if we can get better. So that's a tree here. That's a waterfall right at the back.
And I'll go up a bit and see if we can. Very nice, very pristine. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. Love this path so far. Gotta be careful with the steps. It's quite steep. That's a big drop. So I just help. I'll have to get down.
Little leg.
Ooh. This is tricky.
Oh, that's interesting. We gotta go to our... Oh, you'll be fine. I gotta go to on my butt on this one.
Yeah.
You can show them what it looks like underneath you.
Yeah, this is...
Not show it. Look.
It's
do it
quite
that side.
steep, but I'll give you a little hint
Yeah,
of
once
it
you
when I
got
get down.
You'll see how I get down.
This is...
With my little leg, we gotta go
That
one.
was...
And change your direction because you don't really want to slip anyway.
Which you did anyway.
I did.
A little bit. But yeah, You don't want to slip too much.
Oh, look at that. Look at the...
Wow,
that
look
piano.
down here.
Look
This
at the
is
rock.
really deep.
Yes, I think you can kind of see it better in this way.
Yeah. I got the camera pretty much straight down. So yeah, it's a deep. The camera doesn't do it justice. So yeah, got to be very careful around here.
I've got a lot of this nice rock
Like seeing prone to camera shake.
formation. That's my husband telling me something about the camera.
Yep.
Look at that. You can go all the way in there. Anything can
I thought that was a spider for a minute.
stuck in there.
That's just the roots. Get it through this. I'm
That-
looking through the camera. So,
Look at that. Look how cool it looks. And you can hear the waterfall at the background. This is another good spot to sit. That one right there. And the one at the end. It's actually a pretty decent spot. I'll show you how big it is once my husband is done taking photos. We're swapping at the moment. I'm on the video and he'll be at the photos. Look at that. Looks. Can you sit on that one just to see, just to let people know how big that space actually is?
I'm about 5'10".
Yeah.
About 177, 178.
And the seats are actually quite decent.
A bit slippery on here, but yeah, it's not bad. But again, be careful about spiders.
Yeah, but so far it's quite clean at the moment.
There's spiders around, but yeah, just be
At the
careful.
corners. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this? Junction Falls Footbridge. Steep, slippery and uneven surfaces may be encountered. Supervise children. Well, no more than 3 people on the footbridge at any one time. So it's that footbridge there. Well, before we go to that, we're gonna go down to the waterfall. Let's check it out. Look at that majestic waterfall. It's not so many water at the moment, but it's still pretty. I'm just going through a few rocks and branches here just to get you guys a better look on the waterfall. Look at that. You can see my husband right there. Hello! He's not looking. Yeah, we're quite far away. Look at, this is where I am now, here. And it's all the way up that way, somewhere going down, where we're going down earlier. This is basically the waterfall.